Welcome, dear viewers, to an intriguing episode that delves into the intriguing realm of intermittent fasting and its potential effects on allergies. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the fascinating connections between fasting practices and allergic reactions or sensitivities. Join us as we unravel the complex relationship between intermittent fasting and our immune system's responses. The immune system and allergies. Before delving into the world of intermittent fasting, let's lay the groundwork by understanding how allergies occur. Allergic reactions are responses by our immune system to substances it perceives as threats, triggering symptoms such as sneezing, itching, or even life-threatening anaphylaxis. Intermittent fasting and inflammation. Intermittent fasting has been associated with reduced inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a key player in allergic reactions, so could fasting potentially impact the severity or frequency of allergic responses? Research suggests that fasting might modulate the immune system, influencing inflammatory processes, and potentially affecting allergy symptoms. Autoimmune conditions and allergies. Autoimmune conditions involve the immune system attacking healthy cells, and allergies stem from immune reactions to harmless substances. While different, both involve immune system responses. Could intermittent fasting's influence on the immune system have implications for both allergies and autoimmune conditions? Gut health and immunity. A significant portion of our immune system resides in the gut. Gut health plays a vital role in immune function and allergies. Intermittent fasting might impact gut microbiota and promote a healthier gut environment, potentially influencing immune responses to allergens. Caloric restriction and allergies. Caloric restriction, a component of fasting, has been studied for its potential to affect allergic reactions. Some studies suggest that caloric restriction might reduce the severity of allergic symptoms. How might this tie into the practice of intermittent fasting? Potential benefits and cautions. While intriguing, the potential effects of intermittent fasting on allergies require more in-depth research. Individuals with allergies or sensitivities should approach fasting with caution and seek guidance from healthcare professionals. Fasting should not compromise nutritional intake or lead to unintended health consequences. The role of nutrition. Nutrition remains a cornerstone of health, and dietary choices impact immune function. During fasting periods, it's crucial to prioritize nutrient-dense foods that support overall well-being and immune health, potentially influencing allergic responses. A balanced approach. In conclusion, the relationship between intermittent fasting and allergies is a complex and evolving area of study. While there's potential for fasting to influence immune responses, it's essential to approach the practice mindfully. A balanced approach, focusing on nutrition and consulting healthcare professionals, is key. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Stay tuned for more thought-provoking content centered around intermittent fasting and its multifaceted impacts. Until next time, let's continue to explore the intriguing intersections between fasting, health, and our vibrant immune system.